Hello students, welcome to e-classes of P.N. Amarse High School. We will continue with our chapter number 10, mensuration. Question number 7 of exercise 10.3. A room is 4 meter long and 3 meter 50 centimeter wide. How many square meters of carpet is needed to cover the floor of the room? Students, here what is given in the question is that the length of the room is 4 meter and breadth of the room is 3 meter 50 centimeter. Here we have to place a carpet. We have to find out what will be the area of the carpet which is needed to cover the floor of the room. Solution for sum number 7 of exercise 10.3. Here length is equals to 4 meter and breadth is equals to 3 meter 50 centimeter is given. Now we will convert this 3 meter 50 centimeter into meters. So in the place of 3 meter 50 centimeter we will write 3.50 meter. Now we have to find out the area of the carpet. To find out the area of the carpet, we will multiply this length by breadth. Length multiplied by breadth. Here in the place of length, we will write 4 meter and in the place of breadth, we will write 3.50 meter. So here 4 multiplied by 3.50, we will write, and by multiplying this, we will get 14 meter square. Therefore, the area of the carpet is 14 meter square. Question number 8 of exercise 10.3. A floor is 5 meter long and 4 meter wide. A square carpet of side 3 meter is laid on the floor. Find the area of the floor that is not carpeted. Students, here what is given in the question is that here a floor is given whose length is 5 meter and breadth is 4 meter. On that floor we have placed a square carpet with side 3 meter. Now we have to find out the area of the floor which is not carpeted. Now solution for sum number 8. Length of the floor is equals to 5 meter and breadth of the floor is equals to 4 meter. It's given in the question. Now first we will find out the area of the floor. To find out the area of the floor, the formula is length multiplied by breadth. In the place of length we will write 5 meter and in the place of breadth we will write this 4 meter. So by multiplying this 5 and 4 we will get 20 meter square as an answer. Therefore area of floor is equals to 20 meter square. So here on the floor a square carpet of side 3 meter is to be laid. So here side of the square carpet is equals to 3 meter. So first we have to find out the area of the square carpet. To find out the area of the square carpet, the formula is side square. In the place of side square we will write side multiplied by side. Now side is 3 meter, so we will multiply this 3 and 3. By multiplying 3 and 3 we will get 9 meter square. Therefore area of the square carpet is 9 meter square. So here we will write area of square carpet is equals to 9 meter square. Now we have to find out how many area of the floor remained non-carpeted. So area of the floor that is not carpeted is equals to 20 minus 9. We will subtract this area of square carpet with area of the floor. So by subtracting 20 and 9 we will get 11 meter square as an answer. Therefore area of the floor that is not carpeted is 11 meter square. Question number 9 of exercise 10.3. 5 square flower beds each of side 1 meter are dug on a piece of land 5 meter long and 4 meter wide. What is the area of the remaining part of the land? Students, here what is given in the question is that a piece of land whose length is 5 meter and breadth is 4 meter. In that piece of land 5 square flower beds of side 1 meters are dug. We have to find out the area of the remaining part of the land. Now solution for sum number 9. Area of the flower square bed which is to be dug on the piece of the land is 1 multiplied by 1, as the side of the square bed is 1 meter. So area of flower square bed will be length side multiplied by side, that is 1 multiplied by 1, that is 1 meter square. So there were 5 square flower beds. So area of 5 square bed will be this one, we will multiply with 5. So 1 multiplied by 5 is 5 meter square. Length of the land is equals to 5 meter and breadth of the land is equals to 4 meter. It's given in the question. First we will find out area of land. To find out the area of land, the formula is length multiplied by breadth. Now in the place of length we will write 5 and in the place of breadth we will write 4. 5 multiplied by 4 is 20 meter square. So area of land is equals to 20 meter square. Now students, here we have to find out what is the area of remaining part of land where flower beds are not dug. So remaining part of the land is equals to area of land minus area of 5 square bed. Here in the place of area of land we will write 20, and in the place of area of 5 square bed we will write 5. So 20 minus 5 is 15 meters square. Therefore remaining part of the land is 15 meters square. Students, with this we end our today's video and will continue with our chapter in the next video. Thank you.